Let's go ahead and talk about the other aspects of community design. Remember, community design is the proven framework for successful communities that see incredible revenue and engagement. To learn more about community design in general, click the gear icon in your Mighty Network, mouse down to General, and click on Community Design. To access the full course, head over to mightynetworks.com/community-design. I will include the link below in this video. Now here you can learn everything about the setup, where we talk about your big purpose, the product, which we're going to focus on in this video, and the people, who you're bringing together and what they will all do together. Then we've got the full video that includes every aspect of community design at the bottom of your community design admin. Now the 3 things that we're going to talk about today are your monthly themes, which is a new focus every month that keeps your members excited and coming back over and over. Every month you want to focus on a new topic or a new idea to create novelty in your network, to make sure your members have an exciting reason to come back over and over to see what's happening next. This also helps your members feel more guided as they head towards their best year ever. Next is your weekly calendar. Your weekly calendar is the way that you help your members create a habit and a routine around coming back into your Mighty Network, checking in, and it becoming a natural part of their life. I recommend having at least a weekly event. It can be super casual, just a live workshopping session, an accountability session, anything like that. And then polls and questions. Polls and questions are the #1 way to generate engagement for your members. They're simple and they're easy to use. They help your members respond and get to know one another in a really non-intimidating way, so you, as the host, can create and see that incredible people magic, the connection and relationships that are impossible anywhere except for your community. Now, just like with your big purpose, everything in community design can be helped with your Mighty co-host. So let's go ahead and ask for an idea from co-host. Now, typically, monthly themes can focus on 3 things. Moments of the year, so think summer, Thanksgiving, certain holidays, Valentine's Day, a New Year's refresh. It can focus on the milestones that you want your members to achieve, specific things that help them ladder up to their best year ever, and it can focus on their mindset, the mindset that you want your members to be in that particular month. Now, just like that, with one question, I got an idea for my monthly theme. I wanted to focus on the moment of the year being the summer solstice. It's important for an outdoorsy community. And here we have the monthly theme, building towards the community's big moment of the month. And then Mighty Co-host goes ahead and pulls ideas from my weekly calendar without me even having to ask. I love that. So I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And just like with your big purpose, Mighty Co-host will automatically fill this out in my community design plan. Next up are those daily polls and questions. You will want to use Mighty Co-host to help you generate polls and questions. If you're on a higher tiered plan, Scale, Growth, or Mighty Pro, you'll want to use your infinite question engine, so you as a host don't have to lift a finger when it comes to posting these polls and questions. All you need to do is ask for those polls and questions, and then as soon as Mighty Co-host starts coming up with them, you can just go back and forth, copy them, paste them into your poll, post, and then schedule it out for every day. The great thing about co-host polls and questions and scheduling posts is that you can get all of the work done up front. It takes less than 15 minutes to get all of this ready and set, and then you are done with engagement for the entire month. It will happen organically. Just copy and paste, click create, click question or poll, and paste it in. Click the little arrow between posts and schedule your post and your polls for every single day of the month. That is how you create incredible engagement in your Mighty Network. You create novelty, you help your members create a habit and a routine around checking in and coming back, and you make sure that there's always something for them to do, a way for them to engage, have conversations, and connect with one another without lifting a finger.